Hi guys, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as separate products in your collection page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for pipeline theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published a lot of codes with different themes. So here is the current situation of my store. So you can see that I have only two products which are displaying here. So both of them has three variants, but all of them are not displaying. So let me show you how you can display all those color variants on collection page. So the first step is like you should go to the Shopify dashboard. Here you can see that I have installed pipeline theme, and firstly you should take the backup of this theme, click on these three dots, click on duplicate, and then after you should again click on these three dots and click on edit code. Here we have some files and folders. So we need to follow the documentation. I have already added the link below in the description. You just need to download the code and you will be getting these four files. Firstly, you should open document.txt, and here we have all those steps. The first step is like create new snippet. Name of that snippet is color-variant. You should copy this name. And so here you can see we have snippets folder. Click on it, click on add a new snippet and paste the name, which is color-variant. Click on done. And inside of this empty file, we are going to paste the attached code. So which is this one, color-variant.txt. So here you should copy this complete code and paste it right here. Then click on save and close this file. Now the second step is like create another new snippet, and name of that snippet will be color-product-grid-item. Just copy this name again, go back and click on add a new snippet again and paste the name here, click on done. So this will also create a new empty file, and inside of it we are again paste the attached code, which is this one. So open this file, copy this complete code, and then after paste it right here and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should close this file. So actually we are going to include the file inside the collection file now. So again go back to the documentation. The third step is like go to sections, open collection.liquid, and inside of it we have to replace this these lines of code with this line of code. All right, so let me open that collection.liquid. So you should search here collection. Here you can see that collection.liquid, and inside of it we are going to search something like this product-grid-item. You should search this line. So here you can see that we have these three lines which we are going to replace with the single line which is over here. So you should copy this line and just paste it right here. Firstly you should remove it and then paste the new line. Then you should click on save. So once the changes are saved, then you should close this file. So now we are done with all the things which were in the documentation. Let's refresh this page and see the changes. Now you can see that we have each single color is displaying as an individual product on collection page. So you can see that we had three variant for each product. So we had two products, and right now all of them are displaying. So that's how you can implement it into your store. So if you stuck somewhere, if you have any problem with that, you can definitely contact me. I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.